Hey, what's up, guys? Look, I'll be real. I almost didn't film today. I've just been heads down going through some stuff on my end. But I've been meaning to put this one together for a minute, so here we are. I've been doing crypto arbitrage for a few years now. Like, that's genuinely just where most of my energy in this space goes. Not swinging trades, not chasing pumps, just arbitrage, consistently. And the AI side of it has been something I've been watching pretty carefully lately, because it's actually developing into something real. So today, I'm just going to pull up a platform I've been running quietly in the background and walk through the whole thing with you. That's it, nothing more than that. Okay, so here's the platform on screen. I'm just going straight into LaunchBot here. All right, it's up. So first you've got to set your trading pair, and worth knowing, this thing operates across 18 plus exchanges at the same time, which means your options for which coin to pick are pretty wide. I'm defaulting to TRON today, just to keep it clean and familiar. Okay, switching over to live mode, and now I've got to get my wallet address in here. Hang on a second. All right, that's in. Now, capital allocation, I'm just setting it to, somewhere around there, that works. Risk level, so this is basically a slider that tells the bot how aggressive to get, like at what point it starts passing on trades because they're too risky. I'm landing mine somewhere reasonable, not going to either extreme. And then the last piece is arbitrage strategy, which is just you're essentially picking the methodology the AI sticks to throughout the session. Okay, everything looks right to me. Let's keep going. So now it's asking for the deposit. And something I actually like about this step is you can fund it in whatever coin is sitting in your wallet. Doesn't have to be TRX. They handle the conversion on their side before anything starts running. So I'm just going with what's available for me right now. One sec. Okay, done. Hitting I have sent. And yep, bot's live. Dashboard is right here. And now it's just a waiting situation. I'm going to jump ahead. Okay, we've let it run. I'm hitting stop and withdraw now. There we go, halted. So this screen here is the full recap. Runtime, trades executed, which strategy was running, win rate, and the final profit number with whatever the platform takes already removed. That's the one I'm looking at. Tapping withdraw now. Just a moment while it goes through. Okay, confirmed. Now it's heading to my wallet, should land in a few minutes, and I've got something I want to say while we're sitting here. So yeah, I've been on this specific platform for a few weeks now, and honestly, the thing that stands out most to me isn't even the returns, it's just that it keeps behaving predictably. And I know that sounds like a weird thing to highlight, but after what I've been through, it's actually the main thing I'm watching for. Because I've had platforms that looked incredible on paper just completely fall apart on me. There was one situation a while back. I'd done my homework, spent time in the community, everything checked out, and I put in a pretty significant amount. Things ran fine for a bit, and then I noticed the withdrawal processing time started creeping up. First it was slow, then it was really slow, then it just stopped. No announcement, no explanation, support just went quiet, and I'm sitting there watching what I put in basically become inaccessible. Eventually wrote it off completely. That kind of thing changes how you operate, like permanently. Now I'm just methodical to the point where some people would probably call it paranoid. Multiple withdrawal tests before I scale anything up, long observation windows, watching for any inconsistency in how the platform communicates. This one has been passing all of that without any drama, which is honestly enough for me. Alright, so if you want to go poke at it yourself, the link is in the description, and I've got it pinned up in the comments as well. Take it easy on the first run, don't go in heavy. And if you've got thoughts on this, or you've been through your own thing with arbitrage platforms, drop it in the comments. I'm genuinely curious what you guys have seen out there. Alright, that's all I've got. Take care. Peace.